भैया 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 इसमें से एक दो मुझे खोल के बताना ना. How pretty is this dress? Hi, my name is Tanvi Dikshit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm here on MG Road in Pune. Now, even though I don't live in Pune anymore, all of my Pune friends have told me that the best place to street shop in Pune is MG Road. So I'm here to see if that's really true. We are going street shopping on MG Road today. Let's go. Okay, so I had heard a lot about this one tiny lane somewhere on MG Road that sells the best jutis and Kolhapuri chappals, and I found it right here. So it's right next to the Just In Time watch showroom. It's this tiny lane, and as you can see, it's lined by all these tiny street stalls selling jutis and Kolhapuris. It's for male, female both. Let's go check out their collection. It looks amazing. So the first shop here is this shop called Benzer, and they have a beautiful collection of, I love their range of women's jutis. So you have these beautiful, I love this pastel green color, and they also have Kolhapuri chappals. The jutis 600 se leke 750 tak you can get these jutis. They're actually perfect to team up with your any actually ethnic outfit. And I'm a big fan of Kolhapuri chappals, so I love these. Like, these designs are so beautiful. And you can find a lot of variety in menswear as well. They're all pure leather, so if you love leather, go for this. Basically 500 to 800, you can pretty much buy any pair of footwear here. Let's check out the other stores as well. Come. Ooh, I can see some Birkenstock ripoffs here. I'm a huge fan of Birkenstocks. I'm wearing my Birkenstocks right now. So I found this store that does first copies of Birkenstocks, and they actually look pretty legit. Like, the designs almost look quite real. So if you don't want to spend as much on Birkenstocks, just come here and buy a rip-off. Iski kya hai price range? 500. I paid 5,000 for these. So if you don't want to do that, please feel free. I love their designs. They have almost all the colors. There's beige, there's black, there's like a purplish sort of color, which is very nice. So the third shop in the row, this shop is called Fancy Footwear, and they actually have a lot of wonderful designs in these women's jutis. So there's like bead work, there's mirror work, a lot of different variety in different colors. And the best part is, if you're not someone who wears a lot of ethnic clothes, like I don't usually wear ethnic clothes, so I found jutis that will actually also go on western stuff like dresses or denims. So they have these leather jutis in browns and beiges, which are like very simple. Some of them are plain, like they don't even have any embellishments as such, and they're made of leather, so they are going to be very comfortable. They're a little bit more expensive than the other ones. These are priced somewhere between 950 to 1000, but considering they're leather, that's not too bad. Plus they look really stylish and pretty. Why should girls have all the fun, right? So I found this store called New Pune, which has a wonderful men's footwear collection. As you can see, of course, they have all your varieties. Like, they have Kolhapuris, like different leather chappal designs. They have sliders and all of that. But the highlight for me was this top row right here. There are beautiful designs in suede and with like golden embellishments. Like, I could totally see someone, like if you're a groom and you're on a tight budget, these are priced only at rupees like 1500 to 1600. So you can actually team up one of these with your sherwani or your, basically your wedding outfit. So definitely check this out. If you are looking to shop for your monsoon footwear, I found the perfect spot for you on MG Road. I stumbled upon this store called Good Luck Footwear, and they have the best variety of rain footwear, okay? They have these sort of like Crocs like designs, and they have these sliders. They have sort of closed toe shoes as well, and all of them are super rain friendly. So let's go and check out their collection. So you have these Crocs with different embellishments, okay? You have these stamps with butterflies and pearls and all of that, and they are priced at 400 to 450, perfectly rain friendly. Again, if you're someone who wants to be more simple, I love these like basic sliders. They kind of have the Birkenstock design. I love the black one, the beige one. Yeah, there's a lot of color options, so go crazy. Yeah, these are their newest launches, which are also very pretty. I love this purple color, it's gorgeous. And then over here you have these closed toe designs, if that's something you like. I think my picks are those for sure, because I think they look very stylish also. Plus, if you're looking for non-rainy footwear, they also have some other designs inside. They have sneakers and Indian footwear and all of that. So good luck, footwear. So I just crossed the street from Bata showroom on MG Road, and right opposite at the junction I found this store called Mashk Bags, okay? And they seem to have a great collection of bags, so let's check it out. And these are very affordable. These are priced at just rupees 300, these smaller ones. And then the ones on top, so these are basically tote bags, they're rip-offs. So this one says Louis Vuitton, this one says Gucci. They're basically third, fourth copies, I guess, but these are priced only at 600 rupees. So if you don't mind wearing fake brand logo bags, then definitely go for it. I actually really like these sling bags that they have here. They're just 300 rupees and they're pretty basic, and they'll still, you know, fit a lot of stuff. The zippers and all seem to be of good quality, so this is something that you can definitely check out. So all of these bags which are on display outside are all like super budget friendly, but if you don't mind shelling out a little bit more, they have all of their premium bags displayed inside. Come, I'll show you. So these are like their fancier, more elegant designs. See how pretty, very ladylike. So this section is priced around 1200 rupees and these ones on top are like 1300-ish. And if you want to go a little bit steeper, you can actually check out this entire range. So it's this brand called Enigma that they have, and these are priced somewhere around 2000, 2500. So they are, I mean, I can feel like the fabric is of better quality. So it depends on how much you want to spend. They basically have a bag to fit every price range. I also found some really cool gym bags, okay? Okay, look at this. This is giving me Lululemon vibes, literally. I love this bag. If you have an occasion coming up when you need to wear ethnic Indian clothes, they also have a huge collection of actually Indian clutches and potli bags and all of that. As you can see, there are some potli bags here. This is embellished with handwork. These are in the range of 1000, 1500, and there's embellished like clutches and other handbags out here which are also slightly steeper. They're around the range of 2000. So again, I'm right opposite Wonderland and I found this store called Fit and Perfect, and they have the best collection of western clothing. Like, I am spying dresses, tops, coordinate sets and so much more. You have to see this. Oh wow, okay. Summer dresses. I could totally see myself wearing this one for sure. Look at this one, so cute. It has a rickshaw on it. I'll show you their long dresses, which are fabulous. It's like a crochet, like knitted sort of a dress. How pretty is this? Okay, so let me give you a quick overview of their price range. The tops, all of these like basic tops start around 400 rupees. The shorter dresses start around 500 rupees, and then the longer dresses are somewhere around 700 to 800. Plus, they also have some fabulous coordinate sets. I love this. I literally fell in love with this when I saw this, and the material is so nice. It almost feels like linen. It's not linen, but like it has that vibe, you know, that linen vibe. And this one is also like around 800 rupees for a coordinate set. That it's not bad at all, So they have a lot of variety in coordinates as well. They also have these like sort of party like event dresses. They also have some really nice shirts. Look at this one. Really good. Okay, so I am right opposite Wonderland right now. And if you just step down a little bit from the footpath, you actually have this store which sells a really cute selection of kurtis, okay? Just look at this. They have like really beautiful prints and they have these nice strappy sleeveless kurtis, which is like totally my vibe. He told me the price is just, aapne kya bola, 500 ka do. He told me 2 kurtis just for rupees 500, 250 for a kurti, not bad at all. And these are like very breezy, summery designs, so you can actually, you know, they have very like vibrant floral prints. Look how pretty. So pretty. I love this. Okay, so I found another really nice clothing store at the Clover Center Junction. It's called Unique Vendor, and what caught my eye first and foremost are these night dresses, and these are priced around 800, 850 rupees. You have like nice pretty pastel colors as well, and then you have prints like this one if you love vibrant prints. So you have a lot of options in these. And then I also really loved this. Look at how cute this is. I love this top. I absolutely love this top. Also, the label says Bershka. So, I think this is like a reject from like a faulty piece from Bershka's collection. So, I absolutely love this. They have a great collection of crop tops, and come inside with me because they have some gorgeous, gorgeous dresses that I have to show you. Okay, they have firstly these beautiful easy breezy summer dresses. This is priced at 950 and this is label Mango. I'm loving how all these outfits are like from really good brands but possibly rejects. I love this. I love the white one as well. And they also have some really nice like party sort of dresses that you can actually wear for events. I'm going to show you those as well. They're slightly steeper. They're like around 1200 rupees. But I think not bad because look at this. I think when you try this on, it's going to look gorgeous because I think the fit will be fabulous. I love the cowls and the color, of course. And there's a lot of color options. You have sleeveless as well as full sleeve varieties over here. Where did it go? Yeah. See these ones. I found this jewelry stall. She has a lot of different designs and all of them are priced at rupees 50. But okay, a quick update. Now today while I was shooting this video, I realized one thing. Normally all these footpaths on MG Road are like jam-packed with different stalls selling accessories, clothes, there's just like vendors everywhere. But of late, if I'm not wrong, since the last 2 months, the encroachment department has really gone hard on them and they're basically picking up, clearing up all the roadside street sellers. So today, this was the only jewelry vendor that I could find. I was really struggling to even locate a couple of street vendors. So if you're coming to street shop on MG Road, prepare to be a little disappointed because I would say 90 to 95% of the original vendors that used to be there on the street are not here anymore. They're still trying to set up shop, but then they are driven away by the cops. Like even right now when I was shooting, there were a lot of cops sort of like seeing that no street vendors are setting shop here. It kind of feels a little sad to me because MG Road is always such a vibe, especially when you come here during Christmas season, when you have all these festive decor pieces being sold on the street. Like it feels like the street has lost a little bit of its vibrance. But anyway, it's up to the authorities. This is me, Tanvi Dixit, signing off for now. I hope you had fun watching the street shopping video. Whatever I've included are things which are still open in spite of the encroachment ban on MG Road. So do come, shop, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hit the subscribe button. Of course, it had to rain today. I decided to shoot. It had to rain. It wasn't raining all morning. It had to rain right now.